Don't sign away your legal rights. Hi, I'm Frank Spector, medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland and in DC. And I've done other videos on why it's not a good idea to settle your case early when the hospital comes into your room and tells you that they want to take care of all your medical bills and they may pay you a little bit of money for your pain and suffering, and you decide that you want to take it. So I've done videos on that, but I want to stress another point that when they give you that money, sometimes they're going to ask you to sign a document called a release, a settlement release. And what that document says is that they're going to give you this money, whatever that is. And in exchange for that, you're going to sign away your ability to ever bring a lawsuit against them. So let me give you an example. Suppose you sign this settlement agreement and you've taken an amount of money, and it turns out that that money doesn't cover all of your future medical care and all the harms that happen to you. Let's suppose that you need more therapy. You need to have a nurse. You have more problems than what you thought you were going to have. You thought you were going to recover. You thought you were going to leave the hospital and be okay, but it turns out you're not. Let's suppose also that you are unable to work. And now you say to yourself, the money that I took doesn't even cover my financial losses. And you call me and you say, can you help me? And if I ask you, did you sign anything, waives your rights or gives you away your rights in exchange for the money that they gave you? And you say yes, I'm going to tell you I'm sorry, that there's nothing I can do to undo that. Once you sign away your legal rights, if you have future problems, you can't go back. You can't go back and undo that agreement and bring a lawsuit. And that's why I'm in these videos, I'm urging you, I'm pleading with you. Don't talk to the hospital and make and agree to a settlement offer unless you talk to an experienced medical malpractice lawyer. And the reason is that someone who's experienced like myself has done this for many, many years. And I know that there are so many future consequences that you may not be thinking about. It's not because you're not smart. It's because it's not something that you do on a daily basis. This is what I do every day to help people. So please, when the hospital approaches you in the hospital or shortly thereafter and wants to make you a settlement offer, please call an experienced medical malpractice lawyer and see if what they're offering you is reasonable. Most of the times, I'm going to tell you it's not, because they're not going to pay for all of your future medical costs and all the future consequences. That's why it's really important. Don't sign anything. Call an experienced medical malpractice lawyer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and hit that subscribe button below. That way you can see all of my videos. I also invite you to come to my website at frankspectorlaw.com. Why? Because I create a lot of medical malpractice content that can answer a lot of your questions. I want that information there to be informative and helpful. I'm always updating my website, so you can always check back on a frequent basis at frankspectorlaw.com, and hopefully you will find it informative and helpful. Thanks again for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you again on a future video.